Good afternoon mga maring. It's 1 PM dito. Nandito kami ngayon sa parking lot. Yung katabi namin ay Bells. So, pero yung pupuntahan natin ngayon ay ang Big Lots. So, doon kami bili ng couch noon. Ayan siya maring o yung store na yan doon. So, pupuntahan natin yan. Lakarin natin papunta doon maring. So, itutur ko kayo sa loob kasi hindi ko kayo na pasyal. Last time, nung bumili kami ng chair at saka couch, kasi nagmamadali kami mga maring. Kaya pasukin natin ngayong araw. Grabe yung init talaga oh. Ano ngayon? Why is today be? Thursday? Yan oh. Madaming tao dyan. Lunchtime kaya mataas yung pila sa sa restaurant. So, ito na yung Big Lots. Magko-close ito last months ago. Meron silang closing sale. Akala ko mag-close na talaga, pero meron silang comeback. So, open sila. The comeback starts now. Yan, Big Lots. So, let's get in. This left side is not working. Doon pala. We'll try this door if it works. Oh, okay. Work. Bakit may nakalagay? Left side not working.
I got the side, but maybe they mean this side.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You're with.
Oh, let's get in. Yan, so maganda ito dito maring kasi ang store na to, discount store siya. Grabe, ang daming mga dito maring, mga pang decoration sa bahay. Ay, madami. Tignan niyo yung mirror, oh. $14 lang. Tignan maring. Wait lang, be. Ala, ang daming mga oh. Mura lang dito maring, mga pang organizer. Ayan, decoration.
What's your desk? Like aesthetic?
No, it's not aesthetic. It's for organizing. Yan, mga decoration pang bahay, mga maring. Alam nyo kung bibilhin ito sa Amazon or sa Hobby Lobby, nasa $30 or $60 to. Pero ngayon, $14 lang. Ang ganda ng mirror. Yan, ito pa, ang ganda. Wow, bongga. Ito naman siya ay $29. $30 na lang. Round off na lang. $29.99. Ang daming mga pang decor. May orasan. Yung heart na LED mirror ay $12. May painting. Wala, $9 lang ang painting, babe.
Mama,
It's so nice.
divider.
Hala, meron din silang pang organize sa mga turntable with dividers. Nice. Wow, ang laki naman ito. $50.
Mommy, you can put this near your desk because I kind of like it.
Yeah, that's so nice, B. Tignan yung painting maring. Ang ganda. Pang decoration. Bet ko yung yung mirror.
Look at this.
Yung square mirror.
A butterfly.
May butterfly. Yung butterfly. I don't go there. You're going. Hala, ito maring $5 lang.
Look at this one.
Ang ganda naman ito. $5 siya. Napakalaki. At saka itong butterfly mirror ay $11.
Look, so big and beautiful.
So pretty. Ito namang rose. Meron din ganito. Shadow box shelf. Hala, shadow box shelf. So, pwede siyang lagyan ng decor. Ganyan. So, square lang siya. Anyan.
Mama, I feel like
Na maganda to maring. $17.
I feel like I could hang this up in my bed. Like this is like I like this painting. Look at
Oh, the painting is nice.
Look at this one.
Yung panglagay, gusto ko magkuha ng frame para sa seat or $5 lang siya maring.
I wish
Actually, $4.99.
I wish we could
Ganda.
get that because I really feel like hanging it in my bed because I like that painting.
Yeah, we can put that somewhere. Ito Ito naman siya $4. Canvas. Canvas siya na
Look at
pang
that
decor. May $5 din dito. Wow, ang laki ng globe.
Mama, look. No,
$30. May fan. Tapos may pang organize dito. Desktop organizer. Ganda. Ito din, oh, meron silang box. Maring $3 yung isa. Pang organize.
Mommy, if you don't
Wow, merong basket na ganito. Ganda.
put stuff in one spot, then you could just use this thing.
May malaking woven basket. $4 lang siya, Maring. Kapag pupunta ka sa Walmart, ganito, nasa 20 na ito. $20. Wow, ang ganda.
Mama, this is nice. Look,
Ito din, Maring, oh. $12.
this is nice. Look. This is nice.
Oh, yeah, that's nice for the desk. Okay, let's go around. Put it down. Riley, Lily, stop. Meron silang mga figurines, elephant. Don't touch anything. Ang dami, Maring. Yung plant stand, gusto ko talagang kumuha ng plant stand. Ito yung mga plant stand nila, Maring. Ang ganda. Tignan nyo, oh, social. $8. May black din. Wow, ang ganda ng black.
Mama,
$7.
fake.
Yeah, meron silang fake plant
And mommy, this one.
tree. Fake plant tree. Magkano ba to? Kasi sa Amazon, ito, $100 na ito. Ito siya ay $39. Oo, ang laki. Ang laking kahoy. Fake. Ito naman siya ay $14. Wow. Ganda. Kasya kaya yung ano ko dito, yung so ganito siya ang itsura niya kapag malagyan na ng plant. $12. Basket. Parang ang laki naman nito. May basket kasi ako sa bahay, Maring. Ang ganda.
They have 3 chairs and a thing.
I see.
Maybe that's where you can ski close to rocks.
Okay, don't touch it. Wow, ang ganda, ang dami. Pan-decor, Maring. O, $24 itong fake tree.
Is that fake?
Come here. Bet ko itong plant stand. Pero parang hindi naman kasya yung...
What are those? What are these?
We have a basket, but I don't think if it will fit.
Mommy, would you like to get this?
Meron din silang mga green rugs. Hala, ang ganda. Mga fake grass na rug. Meron ding... Ay, ang ganda naman ng plant stand na ito. Para siyang table. Pwede siyang center table. Pwede din siya pang plant.
That looks like a seat.
19. Yeah. It's nice. Okay, let's go over there. Ganda dito, Maring.
Mommy,
Kapag magpapadala ng mga Maring, balikbayan box, dito magandang Maring, magbili ng mga pangpadala ba. Mura lang, Maring. Yan, meron silang
Mommy,
mga decor. Ang ganda.
if you want to take a
Meron
party,
dito social.
if you want to take a party somewhere,
Social on decor. How much is this?
disco
$8.
balls. Disco balls. Disco balls.
May disco ball.
Mama, come here, come here. I like it. Mommy, I like this. What's this? Or these?
I think it's essential oil.
Hey, Mama, come here.
Essential oil.
Two candles.
Yeah, may mga candles sila dyan. Scented candles. Okay, let's go there, Lily. Ganda naman ito. $8. $8 siya, Maring, on decor. Okay, nandito tayo. Meron para silang dito, oh. Ito yung sinusuot namin maring sa nung nagtrabaho ako sa sa cafeteria. Ito yung ginagamit namin. Nahirapan akong pumili ng scrub. Nandito lang pala ito sa Big Lots maring. Alam niyo ba ang scrub napakamahal? From $54, $9 na lang siya. Grabe. Ganda medium. Nice. Pero saka na ako bibili kapag natanggap ako ulit doon sa sa cafeteria. What is that?
A pet and
For the dogs.
and yeah, and this is the toy that Tori had before.
Meron silang mga night clothes. Pantulog. $5 lang siya maring. Tignan nyo $5. Grabe, ang mura naman dito.
Mommy, we should get this for Tori. Tori likes to play with squeaky toys, and this is the squeaky toy.
Squeaky toy.
Yeah, look, she might like this one.
$5. Wow, ang ganda ng mga pantulog. Branded pa. Ito Steve Madden. $14.
This is a treat dispenser.
Yan, pajama. Wow, ang dami. Ang ganda maring. $9 lang siya, Mga pa, branded. Mayfair. Mayfair yung brand. $9. Ang ganda talaga yun dito kapag, padala ka ng balikbayan box ba? Dito ka bumili. Kaso, hindi pa ako magpapadala. Yan, ang ganda maring ng mga pajama. Stop picking. Stop, put it back. Yan, ang ganda maring. Lily, put it back. Ito yung problema kapag kasama ang mga bata kay ano lang yung kinukuha maring. Spade. Come here. Kini dito tayo sa kanilang clothes section. Wow, ang ganda naman ito. $7. Ang blouse. Meron na silang mga damit maring. Ganda Come here. Ay, may pambata. $12 ito. Look at this. It's so cute. Ang brand na ito nasa Bells din. Pareha lang sila sa Bells. It's $9, B.
Mommy, come here, come here. I want this. This is cute.
Huh?
What's it?
So hot. Why you get a long sleeve? $7 lang.
Mama, I could be like you. I could be like you. Mom, can we get this? This looks cool.
Yeah, that is so cute. Put it back, baby girl. We'll find a different one.
Look,
My Delia's girl.
look. I could be like
Yung mga damit pambata maring
Mommy, I wish I could get that.
Tignan nyo. Two-piece set. Two-piece. Two-piece set. Wala mo siyang price. Lily, look. This is so cute. Look at this. Ang cute naman ito,
I like this one.
That looks like for sleeping. Look, Lily. Look. Huh?
Whoa. No, I
It's
don't
pants.
like that. No, I don't like that. I like this one.
That's for sleeping, baby girl.
I want new pajamas.
$9 itong pair ng RBX na pang sport.
But
My shorts.
But you never gave me new pajamas.
We'll get a new pajama next time. We'll get the ones that you can wear now. It's so hot. Ay, may Mickey Mouse mo ring. Ang ganda. $9 lang. Come here, we'll find a short and a shirt.
Where's
May mga pang babies na outfit. Ang cute ng outfit. $9. Dito tayo sa Puma. Short at saka hoodie. Meron din ito. Itong Puma na set, $10.
Ooh, I like this.
I know, but you don't have your size. It's 3T, baby girl. It's for 3 years old.
Oh.
We'll find, you are 6X. We don't have the 6X. Tingnan nyo maringo, ang cute. $5. Maybe this one, Lily. This is cute. There's 6X here. Like here, look. Or this one. Oh, 4-piece set. Wow, ang cute naman ito, Maring. 4-piece set, $12.
I like this one.
Tignan niyo, Maring.
I like this.
Pero ayaw ng anak ko yung mga pinipili ko. What is this? That's 10 to 12. We'll get this one. This is really cute, baby girl. Look. Come here.
Never mind.
Right here. Look, there's flower and a cute.
Oh, never mind. Let me just get this one.
You want to get the blue one?
Yeah, I like that. That looks cute.
Maybe this size
Is there
6.
any fitting room?
This is only $9 siya, Maring, ang set. Oh, here, Lily. I think that fits you. Try the shorts. Fits you.
Let's see how we can get this one if it fits Riley.
Don't get a long sleeve. It's
Turn me around.
really hot, girl. Gusto niya ng sweater, ibumabaga para ng impyerno sa labas, mga ring. So, hanap kami ng size niya.
I wish there was a size here like her.
Yeah, that is so cute. Nahirapan siya pumili ng size niya. Ang cute ng mga pambata, maring. Oh, ang dami. Yan oh. Yan oh. $10 lang siya. Mas ano pa siya, mas daming mura dito. Katabi lang to ng ano, bells.
Come on.
Oh.
So cool.
Baka meron. Riley, come here. Maybe there's something for her here. Oh, it's a skirt. Riley. 10 to 12. Ano na kasi siya, Maring 14 na yung size niya. Malakas kasi siya kumain. Your size 14, B. Ay, ang cute naman nito, oh. Ang daming sets, Maring. Siguro dito ako bibili for ano, back to school. Kasi back to school na next month. Ang mura lang, oh. 3 piraso. Ano lang siya? $12. What size is that? 10, 12? That looks too small for you, B.
What's going on?
Ganda naman ito. 2-piece yung set. May ano siya, may skirt. Wow, ang cute. Ano siya, $12 siya na set. Ang ganda. Bakit walang mga pang 12, 14? Yung mga pang baby dito. Oh, hala, ang daming scrubs dito, Maring. As in, dito ako bibili ng scrub sa susunod kapag mag-work na ako. Kasi ang scrub sa Walmart, ang mahal. Grabe, $20. Ito, oh, branded pa siya. $9 yung isa. Wow. Dito ako bibili sa susunod. Last time kasi, Maring, before itong closing na before sila nag-closing noon, wala ito dito noon. Wala itong mga display na ganito, Maring. Wala. Tapos yung mga aisle nila, empty. Pero ngayon sa comeback nila ay bongga. Ang daming bagong display. Meron din silang bra. Alam niyo yung mga display dito ay the same din sa doon sa Bells. Kailangan ko yata ng bra. Yung walang wire. Masakit kasi yung ano, Maring, yung wire. $5 yung isang bra. Lalaki ng mga foam. Ayoko ng ano, yung malaking foam. Come here. Tayo ng ano. Bra. Tingnan yung bra. Wala siyang foam. Yung gusto ko yung walang wire. Ayun, yung walang wire. Wire free para hindi masakit. Ano ba, 36C? I think I'm 36A. Ano lang siya, $9. US Polo Association. $16, tatlong piraso ng bra. Nandito naman tayo maring sa boys section. Grabe, ang daming mga polo. Branded pa, oh. Tignan nyo maring. Van Hosen. $12. Mas ano dito, mas organized kaya sa Bells. Sa Bells kasi, mix-mix na siya maring. Kahit anong brand, kahit anong color, naka-mix na siya. Wala, ang ganda naman ito. Ano to, raincoat? Pambata na jacket. Tapos may Lee na polo dito. $7 lang yung polo maring. $7. May ano doon, mga socks. Tapos, ang ganda ng polo, oh. Na barato lang siya maring. Tapos dito kami bumili ng couch. Ito yung couch na binili namin, oh. May bago silang display. For the same na couch na binili namin yung design. Mas meron silang mga dining table. $219. Ang ganda nito, oh. Maliit lang siya. Tapos may mga lamps. May end table dito. $49. Ogoy. So, wala kaming nakita na ano. Tapos may hat dito, oh. Ganda dito maring pang ano ba, balikbayan, oh. Grabe. Cheap lang talaga. Yan yung kanilang mga ano dito. May mga brief. Yung brief sa Walmart, $15. Magkano kaya dito? $9 lang.
I need to use the restroom.
Tahari. Ay, kailangan na. Buti na lang may CR. Ayan. Go, CR. So, wala kami nakita na size para kay Riley Maring. Kaya naman ay pupunta kami sa Bells pagkatapos dito. Meron din sila ditong mga lotion, mga sabon Maring. Tignan nyo yung shampoo. Oh, $5 na lang siya. Ang mura lang. Iyan, may pang color ng buhok dyan. L'Oreal, meron din silang pang ano sa buhok o curl. Itong shampoo na to, ayun, $5. Body scrub. We don't need that, girl. And then they have Olay na sabon. $8 Maring.
We can bring this.
Ano na siya? 8 pieces.
We can bring this for a trip. Mommy, I want to buy some.
Hala, the best talaga ito pang ano. Sa susunod kong magpapadala ako ng box. Dito talaga maganda Maring.
Reach it. Now we are here.
Tapos may lotion. Ayan, yung lotion nila ay $5. Yung, yan, $4 na lang yung lotion. Meron din dito, $24 na vanity mirror. Ganda.
I just man love.
Ay, may mga lipstick din Maring, oh. $1 lang ang lipstick.
Whoa, that's cheap.
Yeah, and ito naman siya ay 99 cents yung nail polish
Whoa,
na gel.
look at this.
$1 lang ang lipstick Maring. Maganda kaya to.
Whoa,
Yun, oh.
look at this nail
Red.
polishes. They look
La. Tignan niyo Maring. Isang box na ganito, $5 lang lahat. Lahat ng mga lip gloss.
Mommy, would you like get one of these?
15 pieces.
Would you like to get one of these? They look so cool.
We're not getting that, baby girl. Lipstick day.
What's this?
Lip gloss set. Yan, mga pang pa-beauty.
What's this? What's
Meron din
this?
silang ano,
Ah,
perfume. I don't know what's that. Meron silang mga sponge. Ito naman mga brush. May ano, pang higod, pang lugod. Ayan, 1.99 lang siya.
Mommy? What do you mean this?
May mga lashes.
Wait,
Volume clusters. Blue.
look.
Okay, put it back, be. Yan, meron sila ditong ano Maring, mask. Ayan sa mga
Finding
shampoo.
those. I'd be finding those. You put in your mouth and you pop it.
Okay.
I want it.
Na meron din sila Maring, oh, premium hair oil. Ayan. Mga pangbuhok. Ganda naman.
Look at this.
Tapos meron din sila ditong konting grocery na pang ano, snacks. Yan, bili ka dito ng mga snacks. Ginger chews. $2. Ano kayang lasa nito? Yan. So, dito naman yung kanilang mga chocolate section. Konti lang. Pero, tignan nyo rin. $1 lang yung chocolate. $1. KitKat, $1. Lahat dito, $1. Oh, Almond Joy. Wow. Wow, $1. Si Reese, $1 lang. Ito naman, $5. Mura lang maring. Padala ng mga candy sa Pinas. Ayan, oh, $6. Candy Carnival mix na siya. Ito din, oh, si Tootsie, $4. Wow. Meron din dito, oh, $5. $1 lang si Twix. Get that you want, just one.
Okay. I've been wanting these forever.
Okay, just get one. You don't want Lily, Riley? Get a chip. Meron sila ditong mga cereal. Ayan. Mga cereal, tapos mga tubs. Ayan. May noodles. Discounted na mga ano, groceries maring. Yung ano dito, noodles ay $2 yung isang box. Yakisoba, $1 lang ang isa. Grabe, ang mura maring. Okay, that's enough, B. Come here, come here.
I just got chicks. Mom, you there?
May toilet paper din dito. Maganda pala dito bumili ng ano maring. Mga toilet paper. Which one did you get, B? How much is that? Meron silang chips aisle. Which one? Okay, this is, how much is that? $2.99. Nandito kami sa Bells Marine. So, nakakuha kami ng t-shirt para kay Madam. Ayan. Well, it's so hard to find a size for you, B. Ito naman kasi pang maliit siya, 5 years old. Dito naman ay ano, pants, pambata. Pang ano siya, pang 5 years old dress. This is so cute. It's $9, 2 dress. 2 dresses na siya, maring. Wow, ganda. Ganda ng dress. $9, dalawang dress. $14. I think you're 14.
Why this look like this Squid Game outfit?
It looks like a Squid Game.
Except for that thing.
There is no pain. Pili tayo ng mga dress, maring. Ang ganda, oh. Ano ba to, dress or ano, upper? Ayan, oh, ang cute, maring, oh. Tignan niyo yung dress. Yung dress ay, ano siya? How much? $16 yung dress. Ang ganda. Tapos may yellow na dress. Kano naman to? $16 din. Ang cute, oh. Ang cute ng dress, maring. Cute ng dress, oh, yellow. Wait, that's yours. Tapos meron din ganito, sleeveless siya na dress. May black din. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng black na dress. Meron din dito. Ito, na-try ko ito, pero napaka-ano niya, taas. Ang ganda nito, oh, ang cute. Cute nito, maring. Tricks. Ang cute ng mga dress. Meron din ganito. Ganda. Ang daming dress, maring. May bago doon. May bago silang arrival. Ito siya. Come here, Ali. Ito siya ang bagong arrival, maring. Ang ganda. Blue. $22. Meron din ito. Nice. Tapos na kami bumili sa Bells Marine. Naabutan kami ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan.
I feel so dry.
Oo. Stay here, B. Lumakas ang ulan. Where's the car? The car is there. We'll wait for a little bit, babe. We're gonna get wet. What time is it? 2:35. Isa lang. Yung sasakyan namin, nandyan lang sa unahan. So, umulan maring. Bigla na lang umulan. I'm going to see what time the rain will stop. It will still rain until 3, so we need to go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Run, Lily, run! Get in, Lily, hurry up. We got wet.
That's a bad idea. I'm wet.
Well, it's still going to rain until 3. The rain will stop at 4.
You don't like driving in the rain.
Yeah. Wow, nabasa kami nabasa ang mga alipores. Okay, just put it on the floor. Sit down, my baby girl.
Let me get it.
Okay, put it there. Nabasa ang camera.
Right.
So, and that's it for today, mga maring. Sa shopping today. Ayan. Naulan na ng mga alipores. Uuwi na kami, mga maring. Ay, naku, ayaw ko pa naman mag-drive na umuulan. Pero kailangan mag-drive. So, that's it for today, mga maring. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video namin ngayon.
I need AC so I can drive.
I know. See you again next time, mga maring, sa next vlog. Bye!